Guys, I'm back and we got a train coming. It's the Norfolk Southern grain train, and it's got the WABASH heritage unit on it. Now let me say something. It's not leading, but still, it's the WABASH heritage unit. I've never seen it before, so this should be fun. So yeah, and I don't know like the road number or like its destination because I'm not really that familiar with the road numbers and the destinations of like the grain trains that go through here. I'm more familiar with like the manifest and the coal trains that come through here, like 18W and 19W, which are like the manifest, or two of them at least. But I can hear it right now. I don't know if y'all can or not. But yeah, hopefully this is enough lighting for y'all to see it. I drove my ATV here. That way I could, because since it's like so dark out, I could like use the ATV lights to like shine it up onto the tracks and hopefully illuminate the engine some. But yeah, if y'all know what like the road number for like the grain train for the Winston-Salem district is, please tell me. And well, there's the horn. It's gonna be so much fun. Plus, what even makes it even more special is, one, I haven't even seen the WABASH heritage unit before, and two, it's my birthday, which makes it even more special. And if y'all are wondering how old I'm turning 17. March 28th, 2007, my birthday, I'm turning 17 years old. Time flies. I'm trying. But yeah, as y'all could clearly hear the horn. Now I can hear it like the rails screeching now, however y'all want to say it. But yeah, y'all should see its light coming through there any moment now, or we should at least. First time seeing the WABASH heritage unit. Should be super cool, which I know it's going to be cool either way. I'm just excited, and y'all are here with me, which makes it even better. So y'all gonna get to see it with me. But yeah, and I drove my ATV here and parked. Not even 5 minutes later, I heard it. I heard the horn just barely, and I was like, "Oh damn!" Didn't take long. Yeah, Norfolk Southern Heritage Unit, or the Norfolk Southern WABASH Heritage Unit. Third out of 3 locomotives on the head end, which are all the locomotives on it, facing that direction, so the direction my camera's facing. But which y'all can hear it now. But y'all should. Y'all should see its light. Well, we should see its light any time now. And it sounds like it's booking it. Oh, I see the light. know if y'all can see it too. Oh, yeah, it's booking it. Gotta get down off the tracks. Oh yeah, it's booking it. Holy shit. Sorry for my language, by the way. Here we go. WABASH Heritage Unit. Yeah, that should be enough lighting. Here we go. Yeah, it's got decent speed to it. Here we go, WABASH Heritage Unit. Tried to get it the best I could for you. I really did. But first time seeing the WABASH Heritage Unit. Hopefully I get to see it many more times. Sorry it's so dark out, guys. Well, no, I can't really do anything about that. Because the timing, it's like 9-something o'clock at night where I'm at. Winston-Salem District. But I'm finally glad I got to see it. I've been wanting to see this. I've been wanting to see it so long, and, well, I finally got to see it, and on my birthday, and with y'all, which makes it so much better. Cool graffiti. I'm probably going to play some Heat 5 later. And if I can, I'm gonna try and edit the photo I took of it and add a little bit more light to it. Hopefully make it a little bit more visible for y'all. It's slowing down a little bit. It's slowing down a little bit. It's definitely going slower than what I thought it was. Down there. Which, hey, like, that happens, you know. But hey, at least I got to see it. So that's really all that matters. Plus, it's gonna be my first Heritage Unit video in a while, in I think like 3 months. My last one was the BNSF 730 War Bonnet 18W. It slowed down a whole bunch. Holy crap. yes, I'm a safe enough distance away, just if y'all guys are scared, or not really scared, but if it seems like I'm kind of close to the tracks, I mean, I kind of am, but like I'm a safe enough distance away. If it did so happen to do well, I would have enough time. Well, here's the end of it. Well, this is the end of it. Norfolk Southern Grain Train, WABASH Heritage Unit, and hopefully y'all. No, I know I will. I guess I'll see y'all later. Next time I upload a video. And I hope y'all have a great rest of those nights. And I'll see y'all later. Peace.